Where there is a will, there is a way. Good evening to all the viewers of Corona Wellness Program from Facebook and YouTube Live. Hope you all are having an amazing evening. The Corona Wellness Program is an initiative by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka with the blessings of our State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sindhya sir along with Manoj Lekhi ji from LIA. This is a holistic healing session featuring Dr. Jignasha and Miss Bindu. I would also like to welcome the host for today, Mr. Vishal Nethi. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. So now I would like to give you the details about today's session. The session is of total 30 minutes duration. It is divided into two parts. First part is for 20 minutes and second part is for 10 minutes. In first 20 minutes part, we will help you to learn the physical exercise, which will help you to improve your lungs capacity as well as your immunity system. That session will be taken care by Dr. Jignasha. She will help you to, she will guide you through a yogic breathing exercise, or we can say pranic breathing exercise. It is basically a lungs, to improve the lungs capacity. And second part will be taken care by Bindu, and she will go through with a affirmation sentence. And these affirmation sentences will make you to become a mentally strong person. So now I would like to invite Dr. Jignasha ji. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Namaste to everyone. Let's start with prayer. Sit in Namaskar Mudra. Sit in Sukhasana or any comfortable posture. Spine erect. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And slowly and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in. And slowly and gently breathe out. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karvavahi Tejashvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax your hands and gently open your eyes. Okay. We took our first breath when we were born, and we will take our last breath when we will pass away. There is a life between first breath and last breath, but we are not aware of breathing, right? Either at home nor at school have we been taught the connection between breath and our emotions, the connections between breath and our memory, connection between breath and our good health. The breath keeps, if we understand and master this connection, then we can master good health. We can master our emotions, emotional strength also. Yeah. The breath keeps us full of life, and it is the most vital functions of our bodies. The correct technique of breathing will increase the capacity of our lungs and ability of diaphragm to breathe. Diaphragm is a thin and powerful muscles below our heart and lungs. It's like here. It's like that. It's a diaphragm. Yeah. And since it's the muscles, it follows the rules of the muscles. It follows the rules of the muscles. Listen it carefully. Use it or lose it. Right? When we train the diaphragm muscles, And when we train the intercostal muscles of the ribs, when we train the abdominal muscles, then our bodies can breathe better. But most of the people don't know whether they are breathing correctly or not. Then let's find out whether we are breathing correctly or not. For that, you have to sit comfortably, right? Place your right hand on your chest and left hand on navel, right? Sit straight. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Throughout the 7 sessions is my common instruction. Sit straight and have a beautiful smile on your face. Yeah. Then you have to just observe your breath. You have to just observe your breath. Listen it carefully. And at the time of breathing, your stomach goes in or out. At the time of breathing, your stomach goes in or out. And at the time of breathe out, your stomach goes in or out. You have to just observe. Don't change it, right? Or don't force it. Just observe it. Observe your breath. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And slowly and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in. Slowly and gently breathe out. Must observe your stomach condition, whether it's going out or in at the time of breathing. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold so you can observe it correctly. And slowly and gently breathe out. 2 times more. Take a deep breath. And slowly and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep inhalation. And slowly and gently exhalation. Exhale. And relax. Okay, what are the findings? At the time of breathing, if your stomach goes out, then your breathing is correct. And at the time of breathing, your stomach goes in, then your breathing is incorrect. But don't worry, we are together for 7 days. We will correct it through different breathing exercise, asanas and pranayama. Yeah. So breathing technique is very important. So first, now let's do one breathing technique. We blow the candles. Assume today is your birthday, right? And you have to blow more than 20 to 30 candles at a time, right? So sit comfortably. Yeah, for that, you have to just take a deep breath, deep inhalation. And while breathing out, you have to just breathe out through mouth. First, observe how to do it. Breathe in and breathe out forcefully. Again, take a deep breath and breathe out forcefully. And take your stomach in, right? Now let's do together. Okay, take a posture. Okay, spine erect. Close your eyes. When you close your eyes, your attention must be in your body. So it's not going out. So it's necessary to close our eyes and have a beautiful smile. Close your eyes. Okay, take a deep breath in. And while breathing out, take your stomach in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Do it at your own 3 times. Breathe in. and relax. Relax your hand, palm facing to the sky. Close your eyes and observe your body. First, take your attention to your chest. Feel the sensation in your whole body. Attention to your shoulders also. Observe your shoulders. Observe both of your hands. We can say yoga means union between body, breath, and mind. This is a simple definition for the beginners. Feel the sensation. And we work on the abdominal muscles. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Now we will do the thoracic muscles exercise, breathing exercise. We train the muscles to work with breath. Yeah. So hands in front of you. First, just listen, and you have to expand your hands at the time of breathing, and slowly and gently breathe out and relax your chest and contract your abdomen. Okay, let's do it together. Breathing, 2, 3. Expand your chest, expand your lungs, expand your intercostal muscles, and slowly and gently breathe out and relax your chest. Breathe out, 2, 3. Again, take a deep breath in. At that time, your attention must be on lungs, right? Breathe in, 2, 3. Hold. Observe your lungs. Observe your muscles, thoracic muscles. Slowly and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in, 2, 3. Hold. Hold. And observe. Slowly and gently while breathing out, relax your chest, contract abdominal muscles, contract, relax. Last time, with beautiful smile, take a deep breath in, just pull your lungs, very nice, super. Slowly and gently breathe out, 2, 3, right? Slowly. Relax your hand on knee, palm facing to the sky. Close your eyes immediately. Observe your hands, observe your chest. Take your attention to both of your shoulders. You feel some heaviness over there, but don't worry. After some time, it will release. Just observe. Just be with your body. Most of the time we are out of the world, means connect with the outside. We connect outside. This is the time to connect with ourselves. Okay, very nice. You may open your eyes. Okay. Now, we will do the thoracic breathing. For that, you have to contract your abdominal muscles, abdomen, and you have to stay constant over there, muscles. There is no movement in abdomen while breathing and breathe out, right? So, first, place your hands by side, right? On the rib. Nice. Now, contract your abdominal muscles, contract. First, you do breathe out, then contract. Stay there and start breathing. Breathing, 2, 3. Observe the expansion of side rib muscles. Slowly and gently breathe out. 2, 3. Your abdominal muscle must be constant. Breathing. 2, 3. Hold. Breathe out. 2, 3. Again, take a deep breath in. 2, 3. Expand your thoracic muscle. Expand. Slowly and gently breathe out. 2, 3. Relax your hands. Now, without hand support, we are doing the same thoracic breathing. So, close your eyes and be with the instruction. Just first do breathe out. Exhalation. Breathe out. 2, 3. Contract your abdomen. Now, stay constant. And now, breathe in through chest. Breathe in. 2, 3. Hold. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Again, take a deep breath. Breathe in. 2, 3. Hold. Observe expansion of your chest muscles. Slowly and gently breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Again, take a deep breath. Breathe in. 2, 3. Hold. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Do it at your own. It's very important while doing anything. When you are doing cycling or doing walking, whatever the things, at that time, if you stretch, if you contract your abdominal muscles, and automatically it start working on the upper lungs. So you feel fresh. Yeah. So just do practice for this and continue breathing. Slowly and gently, while exhalation, you may relax. Okay, you may open your eyes. Okay. You think that this is very simple exercises and for 6 days onwards we are doing the same thing. No, this is the very basic technique, but we have to learn first step. Then step by step, we will learn through breath. We are doing some asanas and then two most important pranayama and meditation. So in 6 days, 7 days journey, we have already completed 1 day today. So in throughout 6 days, we will learn this yogic breathing with asanas and yogic breathing in pranayama. Breathing is very important when we do pranayama. So we must have some practice of this yogic breathing. Yeah. So tomorrow evening, when we will meet again, at that time, you have to practice this. You have to contract your abdomen and you have to practice this thoracic breathing throughout the time. But after taking lunch, don't do it for 6 hours. And after completing 6 hours, you can do this breathing. Yeah. So if you find any questions, then you can send it to the site, send it in the site. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now I will hand it over to Binduji for affirmations. Binduji.
Yes, Jai Gurudev, everyone. We can all sit either with closed eyes or open eyes, and we'll be doing affirmations. Today, the affirmations are on food. So affirmations are basically statements we speak aloud, which will help us create or attract what we want in our life. So there are space given in between 2 affirmations so that you can repeat it in your voice loudly along with us. Let's listen to the beautiful affirmations by Manoj ji on food. Reminding you to repeat it aloud in the break time, in the pauses.
Food. First, I'm giving a small introduction, and thereafter, the affirmations will start. Once the affirmations start, you will repeat it after every line. We have purposely left some music, some gap for you to repeat it so that you can hear your own voice. When you hear your own voice, it will go much deeper into your subconscious. Our body is made of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Earth represents Annamaya Kosh, water Pranamaya Kosh, fire Manomaya Kosh, air Vijnanamaya Kosh, and space Anandamaya Kosh. Annamaya Kosh is the food we eat. It plays 10% of our health. Pranamaya Kosh 15%, Manomaya Kosh 20%, Vijnanamaya Kosh 25%, and of course consciousness, awareness, Anandamaya Kosh 30%, the maximum. The combination is total 100%. Many people try to gain health through food, which is wonderful. But if we can gain health through consciousness, that's the easiest, fastest, and quickest way. Now this is Annamaya Kosh regarding food. Food, what a blessing. It gives us so much the sense of pleasure, the taste, the variety. Food brings people together. Food is the reason where togetherness happens and relationships start happening. Now, I am reminding you to repeat after every line in your own voice, so it will go deep into your subconscious. Thank you. Now, the affirmations. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I chew my food 32 times and eat it slowly, slowly, and slowly. I eat with my non-dominant hand just to have fun and to increase my awareness. I close my eyes while eating just to enjoy each morsel. As Guruji has guided us, I eat half of my stomach capacity, so I am always feeling light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. While eating, I'm always with the thank you. I eat as per what I have pre-decided, so I am free from temptation. Thank you. I'm always aware of what I'm eating. I always feel great about the quantity I have eaten. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I always sit while eating, helping the digestion of my food. I eat in silence, thereby enjoying the taste of every bite. I focus on the food while eating. Thank you. I complete my meal and only then I get up to attend to any task, like answering the phone or doorbell or anything like that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I mostly eat with my fingers to enjoy the earth element. I eat 50% raw food, including salads, in all my meals. If I eat fried
So these were beautiful affirmations by Manojji. So when we repeat these affirmations, we are attracting it and making it a part of our life. The affirmations are available for you. So what you can do is just simply log on to our help desk where we can serve you better. So 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. in English, we have this help your desk, and this is the details. You can take a screenshot. There's also QR code, which will help you directly log in into it. Yes. So today also, every day we have this morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now it's time for us to do segment intending. Every 1.5 hours, we take a gratitude break in which we thank our past for any 3 things which has happened, and we create our future 1 thing. So let's thank our past 3 things. It can be any 3 things. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Guruji, for this wonderful knowledge. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mother Earth, for blessing us in so many beautiful ways. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Zoom and Facebook, that we are able to take it live. When we do this 3 gratitude for past, we keep the hand on our heart and being gratitude. Now we have an opportunity to create 1 thing for the future. Future means next 1.5 hours. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next 1.5 hours, I'm living in abundance. I'm enjoying dinner with my family. So it can be anything which you want to create, any meeting, anything. Keep both the hands at your heart and feel the power of gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Jigisha ji for the wonderful session on yogic breathing. Thank you for the whole team. Thank you, PGR Sindhya ji. Thank you, Bharat Scouts and Guide. And thank you, Manoj ji, for your blessings.
That was a wonderful session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to join back tomorrow 7:30 in the morning for an Hindi session and 7:30 in the evening for an English session. We'll be learning new types of asanas and meditations each and every day. Now, I would like to keep you all informed about some of the activities of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. The first one is the Scout Oxygen Bank. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka is providing oxygen banks to those COVID positive people who are under home isolation in Bangalore. This will help in saving many lives. If you know anyone who's in need, you can provide them the contact number that is given on the screen. The next one is a webinar that is going to be conducted tomorrow. It is about how to learn to make your own family tree by doing a good turn each and every day. Mark it in your calendar. It is at 4 p.m. tomorrow. That is on 18th, 2021. I hope you all enjoyed this session and I wish to see you all tomorrow. Thank you.